Hello, I'm here to show you how to use onion, turmeric, and honey to get rid of terrible ticklish coughs, which can be very discomforting at times and can last for weeks or days. What you can use is a white onion or a red onion, and what you need to do is to cut the onion. I'm using the red one at the moment. Cut the onion into two halves like so. Then you spread a teaspoon of honey over the half that you're going to use, like so. Honey has got medicinal purposes and benefits that can help you get rid of coughs. It's antiseptic. And you use a teaspoon of turmeric and you sprinkle it all over the half that you cut and you're going to use. And all you have to do is to bite into the actual half of the honey and eat it. And within about 10 minutes, you'll see improvement. You can use half in the morning and half before bed. Not to worry, it won't give you a bad odor, bad breath, or anything like that, because the turmeric acts as almost an antiseptic that will literally mask the actual smell of the actual onion, and the honey itself cleanses the palate. When you bite into the onion that you've cut, it will literally go straight to your nostril passage, and you will feel the actual heat of it rising up there, and that will help to clean and clear the nasal passage. And then you feel the warmth of it going down at the back of your throat, which will literally stop the ticklish cough in its path. And it will also go into the lungs, travel down into the digestive system as well, and literally clear out any phlegm or inflammation that you might have. So try and use this for at least 3 days, once in the morning and once before you go to bed. If you have young children that have suffering from ticklish coughs or chesty cough, just blitz the actual honey in, add a bit of water and give the baby just a teaspoon of the juice, and that will help the baby to actually sleep well and cleanse any kind of chest inflammation and also any kind of nasal congestion as well. You can prepare this also for a couple of days if you are busy with work and you don't want to have the smell of honey, and you can mask it or the taste with some mouthwash. Preferably do it when you are not busy going to work. Sometimes that'll be if you're at home and you're feeling unwell. You can use this remedy to help get rid of ticklish cough, especially with the amount of people at the moment that are suffering from the after effect of the big C. That in itself will actually help to literally get rid of the cough, the cold, and the congestion and any inflammation that you're going through. That's all from now. Thank you very much. Bye.